green labels are coming to work.
They are already.
One is laboratory technician, and then the others are health information assistant and health assistant.
So if you have any testing at night, you have cannot operate.
The staff who are around, they do rapid tests, and it is not so technical for other staff. So I think it is not, it cannot actually neglect those emergencies.
Is that the reason why they stay far?
No, we've always asked them to come around, but the issue is they don't have staff always that are enough.
So they prefer to commit
to come from home, yes. But I don't see them as being...
Another charge, what would you advise? Wasting money on transport.
I would advise the last person to come around during weekdays when the OPD is open. And the good thing also, I've seen the health information assistant also, he resides around here. For instance, when he's not up here recording. So it's not so bad.
Because we are supposed to stay around. Especially for the lab technician.
Yeah, there is no excuse for operating from far, and you should take note of that. All those health workers who are operating from Batoro should come back here.
They should get spaces.
Yes, they should accommodate from within.
At least weekend.
Because one, it can lead to late reporting in the morning, and then they also leave early. It's very common. They report late, and then they leave early.
This one here. How do you call that?
Stock cards.
Stock cards. You have them? Where is it? Okay, first give us like three stock cards of the most recent drugs.
For us, the stock card for anti-malaria.
And the malaria as well.
Which one? This one.
This is water. This is for children. I think we have several of it.
You want the most recent one?
This is 24. This is the, I think the one for today.
The one for today is, you can see they are left 42. Is that what you have there? You count.
42 boxes. This is not 42, but I believe others are in the box.
Which box?
In this. You need to check this.
You check, and you see. You know, we don't try to check.
Do you have your store person? Who is your store person? It's only.
It's not only but of this.
Have you entered all the new consignment in the stock card?
You updated the stock card.
You have updated?
So the 42 we are seeing here is the updated.
Yeah, it should be updated.
For balance at hand.
So you are not very sure?
I need to first check if he has. Yeah, the medicine was brought in May. They brought 29. So it added to 61 to make 90. They have been using it. Now we have 42.
Now I wanted to find if they are 42.
That is what I'm looking for.
Yes, we need to prove that they are 42.
Let me find out.
Drugs.
Some expired drugs are taken off from here.
Do you have any with you right now?
Currently, no.
Okay. Is the stock
But your stock card
updated
is not
now?
updated because now we cannot verify.
Let's put that.
It's up to date.
That stock. Let's put that the guy is not conversant.
It's up
with
to
the
date.
store.
If he had picked my call, we would locate it. If you want to
Because
find
out of
it, then we
42
should
we
open
have
these
only-
boxes.
Or maybe we pick this one. You first pick for
You
us.
can
this
pick
one.
this one.
That is Panadol or amoxicillin.
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 It's amoxicillin.
Yes. Let's.
This one's 73.
Okay. Let's count that.
And this is also part of
That
Let's count that.
it is already
Amoxicillin.
this one.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
It's
7.
also less.
7 times 2.
There are others also.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. There are only 23 out
There are
of
less.
73.
Others should be in a box.
So the guy is not conversant here. Just put it.
So you are not sure.
So Johnson, you can now appreciate the importance of everybody being in the facility.
No, if they are off duty, they should rest. We also need to appreciate that. That is welfare. but
Now, supposing
I'm very sure these things are
Supposing
there.
it is a state house, will you say like that?
I call him, he picks
No,
a
you will
call, I
rest from
locate him.
Patao. They will take you to Patao.
But you see, what you are in charge, you should always advocate for what is right.
The
We are
only
not
thing
here,
is,
listen, we are not here for you to
Because
defend the
you
stuff.
sound defensive.
We are here to tell you what is right and what is wrong. Okay, on the other side of being on leave, it's okay. But you have to appreciate the fact that every staff should be available.
Yeah.
Unless on leave. If they are on leave, like you are in charge, it is understandable. But for 6 staffs who have just missed duty,
what about off days now?
You
no,
see?
that's okay. Those are formal.
Like, for you are not conversant
Like
with the
today,
store.
people that report
If that person of the store is not there, she should delegate a person who is conversant here. Of course, for you guys state of helping in China.
Is it okay?
I'm going to down the
Which is not the case.
because we are
The
not
truth is you are supposed to have 14.
we are not joking here. my
And
friend.
then, out of 14, you have only 6. You can only account for 3, and then 1 who is on leave. You see?
You are defending everything that you are doing, and according to you, we don't know what you are doing.
And you are saying it is even okay for them to leave at 1. Mr. In charge, that is wrong. I can understand why someone is on leave or someone is on off duty. But for someone who has just missed duty, I think that one you should rebuke it as someone who is left in charge of the institution.
Well, the person for store is for off day.
It's for off day.
That was why I was calling him, so that I can locate these commodities.
Okay.
It's okay now.
It's okay.
Let's move that side.
So that you follow.
When was this contract given? For financial year, who can't sign?
So, Chairman, the district engineer should be held accountable.
Yeah.
Because before payment was made, he made the inspection.
Yeah, I agree that.
That was well done. No, it is, please, you know,
Let's go and